Greetings friends, I am Suresh Gupta, the developer of Nutan app. Nutan app is conceived and designed after a rigorous and meticulous study of the target users and have made an attempt to address the key pain points faced by the insurance and marketing professionals for their business promotions. In order to use the core features of the app requires user permission to read call logs, make and manage calls, and send SMS. To access these features, the app requires to be set as a default phone handler on the device. The app prominently displays the information to the user at the time of installation to set the app as a default phone handler and privacy policy. If the user doesn't allow, the app closes or the user can uninstall the app. It can't be used. As a part of this short video, I am here with making an attempt to capture the app installation workflow and present to Play Store team for review and approval for its deployment. Thank you very much. Now the next flow I am going to give you a quick demo showing the installation workflow. So let us launch the app here. Go here and then this is the app. Now when we launch it, app prominently displaying what permissions we need. Here we have asked make and manage phone calls, send SMS, storage permission, and we have also declared that how we use the data. So if the user disagree, let us click on the disagree. So I click on the disagree, app closes. Again, now let's launch the app. Now after this I click on the agree button. So when I click on the agree, now app displays that to use the app core features, the user requires to allow to use as a default phone handler. So now I am going to cancel it. Let us first cancel it. If user cancel, then a alert comes. In order to use the features of the app, the user has to make Nutan app as the default phone handler. So in case user is still not convinced and doesn't want to make it as a default handler, clicks on the cancel, app closes. Now I clicked on the cancel and app closes. So this is if user doesn't allow to use as a default phone handler in his device or her device, the app will not be registered and the user cannot use that. So that is very clear here. Now let us take like user allows to use the app as a default phone handler. So now I am going to click here agree. So when I click on the agree, the next is asking to set as a default phone handler. So now let us click Nutan app as a default phone handler. I click that, get access to, so get access to call logs, send SMS. This is displayed. Now let us click on the button link set as default. I click that. Now app is asking for permission. So allow. Then after that app is also displaying prominently the privacy policy. What kind of data is collected, what is the uses of the data, and links are given where the user can click and go and read the complete privacy policy, download the privacy policy, ask question if they have any. So if the user agrees to the privacy policy terms and conditions, then user can agree and continue. In case still user doesn't agree, then they can close the app and uninstall the app. They can't use it from here. So now let us see. Now I click on the agree and continue. I clicked on the agree. So now this is the normal workflow of the app. Now app displays the login screen. User can register here, first time users, and then once they register, it goes for a verification. After our verification, they are granted the access to use the app, and then they can use the app as a default phone handler and then use the core features of the app. So this, in short, I have made an attempt to present to Play Store team like what are the core features, why the app requires to be made as a default phone handler, and how this is being informed to the users and their permission is asked for, and based on the permission only they can app is registered into the device. If they don't, user doesn't allow, app will not be registered. Hope this makes the flow clear for understanding to the Play Store team. Now I request Play Store team to please review and approve the app to make it live. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much. Bye. So let us close that.